Hello and welcome to this quiz series, Key Stage 3 Maths Tables. Now quizzes are a really great way to learn, to revise the subjects being taught at school, so I really do hope you can enjoy this. Let's think first of all, what are these maths tables all about? Well, they're all about applying exactly the same principles. That's what I mean by that. Well, hopefully by now you've mastered your tables up to 10. Just think, how exactly did you achieve this? I'm absolutely certain you didn't go through them once and suddenly become an expert. To really be confident about your tables, you'll hopefully have practiced them over and over again. Now we're tackling this quiz at tables up to 20, but don't panic. Just apply exactly the same principle of practice, practice and practice. Very few people master their tables beyond 12, so here's your opportunity to really stand out from the crowd, so just go for it. Now you can see on the right hand side here, I'm going to be looking at 5 of the quizzes very briefly, just to give you a flavour. Let's start first of all with a relatively simple one. Let's think about 7. Now 7 is a very special number. Just think about the rainbow, which contains 7 colours. Now no one knows if there are exactly 7 colours in the rainbow, but Sir Isaac Newton, who first described the spectrum, well, he was a very religious man, and according to his belief 7 was a perfect number. So he decided there should be 7 colours in the rainbow. Will you get a perfect score in this quiz? Compared to other numbers, 11 just has a really nice pattern to it. Just consider the first few multiples, 11, 22, 33 and so on. Can you see the pattern? All you have to do is keep increasing each digit by 1 each time. It works to get up to 10 times 11. You've only got to remember a couple more after that. Couldn't be simpler, could it? Now we start getting to the bigger numbers. Just remember, because 14 is a multiple of 7, both numbers will have certain products in common. For example, 28, 42, 56 are both multiples of 7 and 14. So just use these as your starting point, then extend the sequence. Good luck with this quiz. Okay. Hands up, I can't think of any simple way of setting about the 17 times table. You just got to face it head on and practice over and over again. But just imagine how smug you will feel when you can recite your 17 times table to your family and friends. It's a pretty safe bet that none of them could do it. Let's finish with a relatively straightforward one. Your 20 times table should hold no fears at all. By now you should be totally confident with your 2 times table. And to work out your 20s, you simply add a naught on the end. So you get 20, 40, 60, etc. Now doing well in this quiz should really boost your confidence. So give it a go and see how you get on. Now those are just 5 of the sections. Let's take a very brief look now at the quiz itself in action. So here we are at the Education Quizzes home page. So we want to go Key Stage 3 and we want to go to Key Stage 3 Maths Tables. And here we are at the Key Stage 3 Maths Table quizzes. Now if you just scroll down here, you'll see there are all the quizzes waiting for you. Let's have a look at one, shall we? Let's choose, let's go for number 7, shall we? So 7 times table. Now all the quizzes are exactly the same. They all contain 10 questions. Let's look at the first one. Number 1. What is 3 times 7? You simply have to choose the right buttons. 21, 28, 37, 42. Guess what? I'm not going to tell you. Now if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see there are 10 questions as there are in all the quizzes. At the bottom here you'll get the score out of 10. You can also play the quiz again if you want to, or you can go back to the start. Let's go back to the start, shall we? Now the thing I want to point out here, some of these, you see it says play. Now these are the freebies. You can have a go at these without subscribing. But if you really do have a go at them and really enjoy them, why not subscribe to our site? And then you can play all of these where it says preview. So to subscribe, all you do is come over here and click on where it says sign up. Okay, you sign up, subscribe, and you can then play all the quizzes in the Education Quizzes site. Okay? So that's the end of this introduction to Key Stage 3 Maths Table quizzes. Hope you understand more now what it's all about and how to use the quiz itself. Now that you've watched this introductory video, why not visit our website at educationquizzes.com and subscribe. Thanks for watching and listening to this video, good luck and goodbye for now.